Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into SoundCloud, stream and upload music step by step clearly. Open your web browser on a computer or launch the SoundCloud app on your phone. Go to soundcloud.com if you are using a browser. Check that your internet connection is stable so the login page loads correctly. Find the sign in button at the top right on the website or on the app start screen. Tap or click sign in to open the login options. Choose Continue with Google if your SoundCloud account is linked to Google. Choose Continue with Apple if your account is linked to Apple ID on iPhone or Mac. Choose Continue with Facebook if you previously used Facebook to create the account. If you want to use email, select the option to sign in with email or username. Type your email address or your username in the first field. Type your password carefully in the password field. Double-check for typos, especially uppercase letters and extra spaces. If available, tick Remember Me to stay signed in on your personal device. Click or tap Sign In to complete the login. If you see a CAPTCHA or security check, complete it to confirm you are not a bot. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password to reset it. Enter your email on the reset page and submit the request. Open your email inbox and find the SoundCloud password reset message. Follow the reset link, create a new password, and return to the sign-in. After logging in, confirm you are on the home feed by looking for your profile icon. Tap your profile icon to open your account menu. To stream music, use the search bar to find a track, artist, or playlist. Press play on any track and adjust volume and playback controls as needed. To upload music, click Upload on the website or use the Create or Upload. Select your audio file and wait for it to finish uploading. Add a title, genre, and artwork so your track looks professional. Choose privacy settings like public or private before publishing. Click Save or Publish to make the upload available in your library or to listen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.